Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by China.
It's Chipo Njayam. What a great first half. First half by Kaizer Chiefs. First half Kaizer Chiefs beyinhle kakhulu. It was very promising. And sacabanga ukuthi maybe in the second half sizothola the same game. Umayo. Usidlisile. Umayo. He was not supposed to tap that ball because of Umayo was coming from an onside position. That was just a clear goal. Umayo bekangayithepanga. Umayo was not supposed to even ukushonela kulaphala uyithinta la bhola yiyo senze sayilose. And then okwesibini I think ne technical team le interim coach ekhona for a moment bekusuppose ukuthi bayayilungisa indaba ukuthi who takes penalties. Now siyafambula kuma penalties. We get a chance ukuthi si-attack sithola ama penalties and then now akuna penalty taker esiyazi ukuthi bekathatha ama penalty la ngabo Gatos. Siyazi ukuthi uGatos ukufika kwakhe lapha uyayiscore penalty. Now asiyazi naba bokunika ama defenders can take a good penalties. Why bengasebenzisi bona? And then as for management, we need a coach. We need proper players. Ayikho leyani. Lama players ayino management la. Akadlali nokudlala lama players. This is still the same Kaizer Chiefs ebesikhala ngayo. Akuna change la. There's no change. It's still the same Kaizer Chiefs. No management need to do something. We need a coach. We need players. We need a proper structure Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho lento. Abastarte serious. Abo Cheshika, abo Mtaung abastarte serious. They are not taking us serious now. Abastarte serious man. Bastere. Bobby, Jessica, Junior, and started serious.